Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LexisNexis, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for LexisNexis. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button. This button is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Now, move to the password field. Carefully type in your password. Make sure there are no typos in either field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. This will allow you to reset your password through your registered email. Once you have both your username and password entered correctly, look for the sign in button again. Click on it to log in to your LexisNexis account. If you entered the information correctly, you will be taken to your dashboard. In case of an error, double-check your username and password. You may also want to ensure your internet connection is stable. If you encounter persistent issues, contact LexisNexis customer support for assistance. Once logged in, explore the various features available to you. You're now ready to use LexisNexis for your research needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.